Here we have a nice 1966 Ford Mustang muscle car, which has spent the last 48 years of its life in sunny California. This car has been driven. The last owner owned the car for approximately 25 years. He had the vehicle painted 20 years ago. As you can see, there's stone chipping on the front apron here because the driver only used to use the car. The tyres are new. It has the nice white wall on them. It has the nice factory spinner hubcaps. There's no sign of any accident damage under the front. The chassis rails are nice and straight. There's no signs of any rust. The bushes are good. No signs of any damage in the front where the bushes are located. This side's nice and straight. Has new front shockies. It also appears to have both lower control arms replaced, bottom ball joints, brake hoses and wheel cylinders. Right down there, the tyre rod end looks fairly new. The engine is nice and clean. The fan belts look fairly new. The fuel pump looks like it's been replaced at one stage. The oil pressure switch. The power steering appears to have a slight leak at the low pressure return line. The steering and everything operates great. The rails are nice and straight. No signs of rust of any accident damage. The transmission is nice and clean. It drives fine, changes gears smoothly. No signs of any oil leaks. Mount looks good. There's a slight dent in the rail here where it appears that someone has put a jack under it. The inner seals look like they still have the factory Ford sealant along the seals. Rear suspension has new rear shockies. It appears to have both universal joints changed. Just a bit of excess grease coming out the front uni when someone's greased it. It has the factory single system exhaust pipe, which is nice and quiet. No signs of leaks. Muffler's solid. Rear suspension's good. No sign of any accident damage. No sign of rust. Appears to have new wheel cylinders. Inner seals are good on this side. Factory sealant along the sides. All the drain holes are clear. It does have road grime on the vehicle as it's been driven. All the drains are clean. No signs of rust, nice and clean, just road grime. Rear spring appears to have fairly good bushes. Muffler looks good. Tank's good, is fitted with a tow bar. And have stolen the entire contents of the trophy cabinet. Lisa looking for a room with sky blue and white carpet.